For 4 decades, every major party presidential nominee has released his or her income tax returns, or at least a summary, before the general election. If Donald Trump fails to do so, he would become the first Democratic or Republican nominee to refuse to make a tax disclosure since Richard Nixon during his 1968 and 1972 campaigns. The New York Times obtained 3 pages of Mr. Trump's 1995 tax returns, for filings in New York, New Jersey and Connecticut, marking the first time any of his actual tax returns have been publicly revealed. They showed more than $900 million in losses that could have allowed him to avoid paying any federal income taxes for up to 18 years. In this video we are going to have a look at what we know and don't know about Trump's taxes. What we know. In the absence of any disclosures from Mr. Trump, the New York Times and other news outlets have attempted to fill in the gaps. This is what has been uncovered from available records. Year 1995. Tax returns obtained by the Times showed $916 million in business losses that Mr. Trump could use to wipe out that amount in taxable income for up to 18 years. 1991 and 1993. The New Jersey Casino Control Commission reports for these years show that Mr. Trump claimed losses that could have allowed him to avoid paying income taxes. This was a time when Mr. Trump's Atlantic City casinos faced significant financial trouble. The losses may have helped Mr. Trump reduce or eliminate his tax bill in future years. 1984. Tax court records state Mr. Trump paid no federal income taxes. 1978 and 1979. Although he claimed to be worth hundreds of millions of dollars at the time, Mr. Trump paid no federal income taxes, according to a 1981 report by the New Jersey Commission, assessing his fitness for a casino license. He took advantage of deductions available to real estate developers and, claiming losses from partnerships, Mr. Trump reported a negative income of $406,379 in 1978 and another loss of $3.4 million in 1979, thus avoiding any tax liability for those 2 years. From 1975 to 1977, Mr. Trump paid more than $71,000 in federal income taxes on about $218,000 of taxable income earned during these years, according to the 1981 Casino Commission report. What we do not know. Without the ability to look over Mr. Trump's taxes, a number of questions are unanswerable. Real estate developers like Mr. Trump get particularly advantageous treatment under the tax code, according to experts. They can claim, for example, sizable tax write-offs for business losses. How much has he taken advantage of these kinds of breaks, particularly in recent years, and what effect has that had on the amount of income tax he paid? How much money does Mr. Trump make, and what might that say about his net worth? What foreign business ventures are included in the filing, and what does that say about where Mr. Trump has financial interests? What charitable contributions has Mr. Trump deducted, if any? Thanks for watching this report. Do let us know what you think about it by leaving a comment below.